Hi, I'm Keith, Product Communicator at 3CX, and here is a brief overview of the free native app for your Android phone. It allows you to take your Office extension with you wherever you go and is super easy to use. Here's a little taste of what you can do with the 3CX app for Android. Get the 3CX app from your Google Play Store and follow the steps in the First Time Wizard. Then simply scan the QR code within the welcome email or web client and start calling. Let your colleagues know when you're available by tapping the status indicator to quickly set your status. You can also avoid getting notifications for calls and chats by disabling push notifications. This is particularly valuable when you're using your own personal device as a work extension. Use chat to send messages and documents to colleagues while on the move. Use quick built-in actions to help you archive, delete, and tidy up your chat conversations. Check your voice messages and keep on top of things you missed while you were away. Easily manage your voicemail inbox and simply tap to play each message. No more shuffling around between apps and separate address books. In Contacts, your colleague's company address book and your own phone book entries are combined. It also provides quick actions to send a voicemail, email, or chat message. Never give out your personal phone number again and stay connected with the Office no matter where you are. If you're moving around while on a call, the app reconnects your calls through available Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Remember, all your 3CX calls are secured with encryption. No need to wait to get back to the Office to schedule or join a conference call. Scheduling is easy, providing the ability to create 3CX audio or video conferences quickly, in addition to syncing the meeting to your calendar and adding participants from your device directory. Scheduled meetings are easy to join, prompting users to open the meeting using the separate 3CX video conferencing application. Download the Android app from the Google Play Store for free today, and don't forget to check out our user guide to find out more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and social media for more updates.